Chiegu Wind Farm in southwest China's Xizang Autonomous Region has generated over 200 million kilowatt hours of green electricity since it went into operation in 2021. Located in Chiegu Town, Cumai County in Xizang's Shannan City, the project has installed 25 turbines at altitudes ranging from 5,000 to 5,200 meters, which is the highest of its kind in the world. The wind farm has a total installed capacity of 72.6 megawatts. The first phase of the project went into operation in 2021 and the second phase in October last year.
1期和2期全容量变网发电后，风电场年累计发电量将超过2亿千瓦时，可以满足周边近14万个家庭1年的用电量，相当于节约标准煤6万吨，减少排放二氧化碳16万吨。
The Chiegu Wind Farm is a pioneering project for both research and technology demonstration in the development of wind power at ultra-high altitudes in Xizang. It was also the first wind power project to be connected to the region's main power grid, marking a milestone in wind power development in plateau regions around the world.
当地风能资源较好，作为西浪电网的一个补充，可以提高电网发电的灵活性，有效改善当地能源结构。
According to the China Three Gorges Corporation, the project developer, the third phase of the project is under plan. The project is expected to be built into a clean energy base with a total installed capacity of over 100 megawatts, providing more clean energy to the plateau region.